Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, today's in this video I am going to repair this laptop. You can see here guys, that is the HP. I hope this is a 4th generation HP. I will show you now with the Core i5. So guys, let's check what is the problem. You can see guys, I am power on this laptop. So guys, you can see here what is the problem. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can see here this laptop is not booting the Windows. So guys, in this video I will fix this problem and how to get the more better performance. So guys, let's watch the full video. For better performance, here I will install the SSD instead of hard disk. So guys, let's check the CMOS battery 2.9. okay, you can see guys, this is the Crucial 240 GB SSD I will install in this laptop. Now I will install the operating system Windows 10. Now calculate the drive space. So guys, you can see here I will keep a 120 GB in C drive for operating system. 120 into 1024, this is the 1 GB equal to 1024 MB plus 600 for system reserve. 123480, this is for C drive. You can see guys, 120 GB this is for C drive and 103 is for D drive, new primary drive. Give the username. So guys, the operating system installation is complete. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.